Hi, this is
You can use
Margarita.
the shuttle bus, the Regent shuttle bus, to give you a lift into the town. Lots of shops to take a look at, cafes where you can enjoy a drink. It's a busy town. It's one of the busiest ports in all of Greece. Over 70 liners and passenger ships arrive daily in Igoumenitsa, transporting thousands of passengers and cargo trucks. It's a port that is connected by ferry service to the ports of Bari, Brindisi and Ancona in Italy. And the population in Igoumenitsa is around 9,000. Now, it was the port of Igoumenitsa that was the place where Bruno Breguet was seen for the last time in public. Bruno Breguet was the bomb expert in Carlos the Jackal's terrorist group. One of the most wanted fugitives in the world was Carlos the Jackal. One of the most wanted fugitives in the 70s, in the 1970s and in the 1980s. Undeniably, he was one of the most high profile, one of the most notorious international terrorists in history. Carlos the Jackal rose to prominence in the year 1975 when he stormed, with his commando group, he stormed the headquarters of the powerful OPEC oil cartel in Vienna. The OPEC headquarters were in Vienna, and Carlos the Jackal, he burst into a conference room where a meeting was taking place between the oil ministers of the OPEC cartel. He took hostages, he held them for ransom in the